Hello, engineering parents. Welcome to another virtual back to school night. I'm Mr. Redmond, and I'll be teaching your student engineering applications of computer science. This is at Bowie High School, the capstone engineering course, the final one in your student's engineering high school career, and it is my absolute favorite class I've ever taught. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the course and what to expect this year over the next couple minutes. If you the next page, I'm glad you're here, and I'm glad your student will be with us during this course. It's going to cover a lot of engineering. Really, it's going to build a lot on last year's course. We're going to add, however, a major focus on computational thinking. Some of the problems we'll be giving your students will be more complicated than last year's problems, and really the only solution to them will be using programs, coding that your students will have to make. Computers are really, of course, ubiquitous nowadays. We use them at all times in devices that used to be totally analog, are now computer-based objects, and so coding really becomes a major focus on careers in the future. This is a problem-based curriculum, not just projects. Big projects will be broken down into chunks, and your students will be solving pretty complicated problems over this year. So, as last year, the grading policy is pretty similar. Major grades are most of the grades this year. There'll be smaller ones like homework and notebook checks. Notebooks are pretty heavily utilized in engineering. They will be in this class as well. There'll be a lot of grading of coding as well, formatting and things like that. But there are, just like last class, no exams. Projects are really the major focus in engineering, and so we don't need to take time out of our project-based class and use exams. This course is designed with a career in mind, in the career in engineering. Really, 21st century skills are going to be utilized in this course. Thinking like computers, thinking about how computers think, and solving problems using computational thinking. This really is a course that focuses on college and career readiness, certainly. And this is applicable outside the world of engineering, however. These skills they'll be learning can be used in other fields. Some of the projects we'll be doing over this first semester is we'll be learning Python, coding language that we've selected for this course, Python, and they'll be programming some music with it. After that, they'll make custom photo filters, kind of like Instagram utilizes, using their own computers and the webcam built in. After that, there is a really excellent unit where they'll take what they learned with images and how computers see pictures, and they will create a computer-assisted physical therapy device that analyzes the motion of joints of the human body to assist in physical therapy, a cheap physical therapy device. As all classes at Bowie High and AISD, we will be utilizing the Blend page. Blend is a great learning software that we will be using all the time. There'll be links to my Zoom course, or all the Zoom lectures I'm helping. There'll be links to the syllabus and the calendar, and every single day or week we will be updating the front page so that you can click right on to the unit we are in the work at in class. There will be some work that needs to be done outside of class time. Programming is probably a new skill for your student, and this is something that patience is going to be required. it's hard to learn how to code and speak a different language, think in a different language. But so there will be some time in class that will be required for learning programming. As always, I am easily accessible, and there's extra help that can be obtained. Fit time during the school day, right after first or fifth period, can be arranged by appointment. And there will also be outside of class time, either in the morning or afternoon, that can be arranged with me on a case-by-case basis. My email address is on the Blend page, and you can also find me in Blend using the inbox there, and get a hold of me whenever you need to. I'm very much looking forward to this year. I know it's going to be challenging for a lot of people because we are using 100% online for the time being, but this is a challenge that I think we're up to, and I'm very much looking forward to teaching your students this year. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a good day.